Sue at the farm pool. He side-eyed her thinking she was cool. He sweetly asked, do you think that maybe you might like to try being my baby? Curly Sue said, you've a nice honk. Do you know how to honk-a-tonk? She flipped her curls with a little flirt, and Jaxon kicked his toe in the dirt. Then he puffed his feathers with pride. I can honk-a-tonk from side to side. If you'll take my wing, dear Sue, I'll honk-a-tonk all day with you. Curly Sue giggled and splashed his feet. Well, show me your moves, let's find that beat. He honked once loud, blessing his luck, and slipped on a floaty with little yellow ducks. So they're honk-a-tonkin' by the pool, those two, Jaxon the gander and sweet Curly Sue. Curly feathers in a summertime groove, two savvy hearts with something to prove. Honk-a-tonk goose, love coming through when Jaxon honk-a-tonks with Curly Sue. Now every critter gathers around to see this little farm romance unfold with glee. Elroy the goat shouts, do the honky-dip, then falls in the pool with a belly flop flip. Jaxon takes Sue's wing, spinning her around. Their honks and giggles, the sweetest sound. The whole farm cheers as they dance with charm. They're honk-a-tonkin' at Honk-a-Tonk Farm. Oh, they're honky-tonkin' by the pool, those two, Jaxon the gander and sweet Curly Sue. Curly feathers in a summertime groove, two savvy hearts with something to prove. Honk-a-tonk goose, love coming through when Jaxon honk-a-tonks with Curly Sue. By the water's edge and giggles drifting past the cattail hedge, you'll know that love is splashing anew where Jaxon honk-a-tonks with Curly Sue.